ስለ ስደት የተሰራው ፊልም ነው። ጅማሬው ከአፍሪካ ሲሆን የሚሄዱበት መንገድ አውስትራሊያ ነው። በጫካ ነው የሚጓዙት። እዛ መሀል ላይ ያለውን እንግልትና ስቃይ የሚገልጽ ፊልም ነው። ስደት ከመጀመሪያ በፊት እንደዚህ ዲቦርቅ ነበር።
Forgotten in the shadows of 7 billion souls. We carry a past. From different nations we came in search of that great land where the grass is greener.
በነገራችን ላይ እነዚህ ልጆች በቻይና ነው የሚሸጡት። የመርከቡ ካፕቴኑ ቻይናዊ ነው እና ይወስዳለሁ ብሎ እየወሰዳለው ሌላ ቦታ ነው እነሱን ለመሸጥ ማለት ነው ለሌላ ሰዎች። እሱ ሲፈልግ ከተናደደ ከሱ ጋር ያወራውን ሰው ይገላል። ካፕቴኑ የመርከቡ ድራይቨር ሹፌሩ ማለት ነው። እና ምን አደረገ? አንዲት የልጅ እናት ነች። ህፃንሽን ስጪ እንገለዋለን፣ ውሃ ላይ ጣዩ ካልሆነ ለእኛ በሽታ ያመጣልናል ብሎ ያዛታል። እምቢ ብትልም ያው ምንም አቅም ስለሌላት በመጨረሻ ላይ ህፃኗን ለማሰጥ ተገደች። ህፃኗን ሰጠች። በመጨረሻ በባህር ላይ ተጣለ ህፃኗ።
We all die from disease.
ህፃኑ ከኛ ጋር በህይወት ከቆየ ሁላችንም እንሞታለን በበሽታ ያለ።
To understand how I got here, you must travel with me into the darkest parts of my past.
What you did back there was silly, but brave.
Where's the opera house?
Americana, why are you whinging in my ear? Shouldn't you be flying into Australia in an aeroplane or a private jet? Huh? Or did you go to jail?
ፊልሙ የሚጀምረው ኑር ወይም ሙት በሚለው ነው ርዕሱ።
Unfortunately, Donald Trump is the president.
You black men out there need to realize there is no liberty in the Statue of Liberty. Yeah? And go back home to Africa, where you're from.
If Africa is so wonderful, what are you running from?
I love
እነዚህ ሁለት ወጣቶች ከተለያዩ ሀገር ነው። ሁለቱም ጥቁሮች ናቸው፣ ግን ቢሆንም ከአንድ ካንትሪ ማለትም ከአንድ ሀገር አይደሉም። እና ወዴት እየሄድክ ነው ብሎ ይጠይቃል ሌላኛው ራስተውን ማለት ነው። ራስተው ደግሞ እኔ አሜሪካ ነው እየሄድኩኝ ያለሁት ምክንያቱም ዶናልድ ትራምፕን በጣም ስለሚወደው ይላል። ሌላኛው ልጅ ደግሞ አፍሪካ ላይ ለምን አልተቀመጥክም? አፍሪካዊ ከሆንክ አፍሪካን የምትወድ ከሆንክ ብሎ ሲጠይቅ እኔ አሜሪካ እየሄድኩኝ ያለሁት ዶናልድ ትራምፕን ስለሚወደው ነው ብሎ ይመልሳል።
Why?
Why what?
እና ይሄ ህንዳዊ ሰውየው እች ናይጄሪያዊን ልጅ ለምን ብሎ ይጠይቃታል። እሷም ደግሞ መልሰህ ለምን ማለት ለምን ብላ ጠየቀች። ከዛም ሰውየው አንቺ ለምን በዚህ በመጥፎ መንገድ መጣሽ ብሎ ጠይቃታል። እሷም መልሰ ደግሞ አንተስ ለምን በዚህ በመጥፎ መንገድ ትጓዛለህ ብላ ትመልሳለች። እሱም መልሶ በጣም ሕፃን ነሽ እኮ ትንሽ ነሽ ብሎ ይጠይቃታል። እሷም መልሰ አንተ በጣም አርጅተሃል ሽማግሌ እኮ ነህ ትላለች።
Why did you?
A question for a question. Well, I'm heading to Australia for a better life.
Good for you.
So young.
So old.
It has been 2 days. The baby's within Allah's hands now.
አሁን ሕፃኗን ያመጣሉ።
Give me the child.
እዚህ ባህር ላይ የወለደችውን ሕፃኗን ይሄ ህንዳዊ ሰውየው ለእግዚአብሔር አሳልፈሽ ስጪ ብሎ አሁን ውሃ ውስጥ ይጥላል ማለት ነው፣ ባህር ውስጥ። ሁሉም ተርቧል፣ ደክሟል። ቻይናዊ ካፒቴኑ ህንዳዊ
That's a communicator.
ረዳት አብራሪን ይገሏል በመጨረሻ ላይ።
Precisely, Captain. Imagine this. What if we get caught? Then our tank will have fuel. They will pay us to take them back. And it's gonna be big pay.
ሁለቱም ደላሎችና
These people pay us money
ሹፌሮች ናቸው።
to bring them here. And we double cross them. We turn them to the Coast Guards for more money. Exactly, Captain. What happens to them? They are disposable. This trip is doomed. We have no food for the past 14
እነዚህ
days.
ሁለቱ ደላሎች አውስትራሊያ እንወስዳቸዋለን ብሎ ለሌላ ሀገር ሰዎች ለመሸጥ ነው እየወሰዷሉ።
on this ship who don't understand? The only way to get saved is to be captured by the Australians. Now, what you do is go there and tell them how good Australia is. The land of milk and honey. Go.
ህንዳዊን እንደምታዩት ገደለ። ትንሿ ናይጄሪያዊት ህንዳዊው እንደሞታ አይተዋለች። አልደረሱም እኮ አውስትራሊያ፣ እየጣሩ ነው፣ ውሃ ውስጥ ነው። አሁን አውቆ አውስትራሊያ ቦርደር ደርሳችኋል ብሎ ነው ከመርከቡ ያወረዳቸው። ግን ሌላ ሀገር ላይ ነው ያሉት። አንዷ ቪዥን ታያለች። ግማሾቹ እንደሚያብዱ፣ ግማሾቹ እንደሚሞቱ። ከዛ እሷ ከውሃ ውስጥ አልወጣም ብላ ሁላችሁም እዚህ ጋር ትሞታላችሁ አትሂዱ ብላ ታወራለች። ከዛ እራሷን እዛ ውሃ ውስጥ ታጠፋለች።
You're all going to die!
ሁላችንም እንሞታለን።
This land is going to eat you!
ይሄ ቦታ ሁላችንም
Bones will
ይበላናል።
become its blood!
ይሄ ውሃም ደም ላይ
This
ይቀየራል።
land,
ይሄ ቦታ
this land does not forgive.
ይሄ ጫካ ሁላችንም ይበላናል።
You're all going to choke in your own sweat.
እና ራሷን በዚህ መልኩ ታጠፋለች ውሃ ውስጥ።
Stop. She's gone.
ይኸው እንደምታዩት ይሄ ፓኪስታኒ
Australia!
አበደ በቃ።
Australia! Australia! Raju! Come back!
He lost his mind.
የት እንዳለ ማወቅ አይችልም በቃ።
Where are we?
የት ምን አለ ነው ብለው እየጠየቀ ነው።
Are you sure this is Australia?
እርግጠኛ ነው ይሄ አውስትራሊያ ነው
So
ብሎ
where's everyone?
ጠይቃዋ አለ።
They're
እና
there.
ሁሉም የት አለ?
Somewhere.
You don't know
እዚህ
where we're
አለ
going.
የሆነ ቦታ ብሎ
Do you?
ይመልሳል።
We've been lost from the
አንተ
beginning.
ራስህ የት
Didn't
እንደምትወስደን
you tell
አታውቅም።
us?
ንገረኝ፣
Wait a minute, Captain.
የት ነን ያለ
Wait.
ነው?
We just paid you $10,000 to get us lost.
You listen to me.
$10,000 ከፍለን
understand?
የመጣነው እዚህ ጋር
Listen
ልትጥለን ነው፣
to me.
የማታውቀውን ቦታ ልትወስደን ነው እንዴ
We need
ብሎ
to make a
እየጠየቀ
move,
ነው።
and we move now.
To where?
የት ነው
Move to
የምንሄደው
where?
ብላ ትመልሳለች።
We move up there. That's where we're going.
እዛ ወደምታየው ነው እየሄደን
Are
ያለ
you
ነው
for
ይላል።
real?
ግን የት
You want
እንደሚወስደው
us to move
አያውቅም
up there
እሱ
with empty
ራሱ።
stomachs?
We need to find food first!
No, what we need to
ቀድመን
find
ምግብ
is
ማግኘት
high ground.
አለብን።
You understand? We need to find people. To do that, we need to go to high ground.
ቀድመን
That's
ሰዎችን
what we
ማግኘት
Thought we would
አለብን።
land where there's Australians, not God-forsaken nowhere.
You want to land where there's people? Then you catch a plane. Does everyone understand that? We should have catch a plane, but we didn't. We were on a boat. My boat.
You know what, Captain? You know what? How about you leave right now? We stay here and look for food. Who is with me on this
እኛ
one?
የትም መሄድ
And who is with
አንፈልግም።
him?
እዚች ጋር ሆነን ምግብ
No
መፈለግ
one is with
አለብን።
you, Captain.
Fine.
እሺ
Keep it moving.
ፈልጉ ምግብ ብሎ ካፕቴኑ ተመለሰ።
With Google Workspace.
እንደ አጋጣሚ ሆኖ ጫካ ላይ ያ ያበደው ፓኪስታናዊ ሽማግሌውን አገኛል። ይህ ያበደ ፓኪስታናዊ
Things will get better. It always get better.
የቀሩት ኢንዲያና ናይጄሪያን
Nonsense.
No nonsense.
How are we going to get out of here?
እንዴት ነው ከዚህ እንድንወጣ የምንችለው ብሎ እየጠየቀች ነው
She
ሽማግሌውን
is
ሰው።
alone.
I've been watching her. She's been alone since the beginning.
You are
ከመጀመሪያ
going to
ጀምሮ
be a
ብቻዋን
young mom.
ነበረች።
She will need you.
I can't carry dead weight.
And you will find happiness. Get married and have a lots of children.
አግቢና ብዙ ልጆች ትወልጃለሽ
The
ብሎ
old
ያወራል።
man finally finds his long lost daughter in the middle of nowhere. How sweet.
ለስደተኞች የተሰራ ፊልም ነው። የሚሄድበትን አውስትራሊያን እየጠራ ነው። አሁን ያ ሽማግሌ ሰውዬው ለዚህ ልጅ አፕል ይሰጣል። አፕል ስላችሁ ስልክ እንዳይመስላችሁ፣ አፕል ፍሩት። ሂዳል
Guys, I found fruit. A bit sour, but delicious.
Let me have some, please.
What you mean?
give you some.
We
Please,
starving
please.
over here. We don't
Please,
know
I'm
what
hungry.
we are.
Hey, listen to me, old man. If you don't want to eat, just stay there. I don't remember you bringing any
ፍሩት
back from
አግኝቻለሁ
the
ልስጣችሁ ምናምን ብሎ ሲያወራ ምን እንደሆነ ሳታቋት ብሎ እየከለከለ ነው ሽማግሌው እንዲያሉ
Don't eat it.
አትብላ
You don't know what it is.
ምን እንደሆነ
Please, I
ሳታቅ
beg
አትብላ
you, don't eat it. Don't. Leave me alone. Please. You don't know what it is.
ምን እንደሆነ ሳታቅ አትቢ ልትሞች ትችያለሽ።
Wake up. Please, wake up.
ይኸው ምን እንደሆነ ሳያውቁ ባልቶ እንደዚህ ታመሙ።
Wake up.
Chatty, stop
They're
laughing.
dead. They're dead. No.
ያላወቁትን ፍሩት በልቶ ሞቱ። አሁን የተወሰኑ ሰዎች
The
ናቸው
fruits of
የቀሩት።
this land are not what they seem.
ፓኪስታናዊ ውሃ ውስጥ አሁን ትንሿ ናይጄሪያዊት እና ህንዳዊ አንዷ ፊሊጲና ከዛ ሁሉ ሰው 3 ሰው ብቻ ቀረ።
Come.
በጣም ደክሟል። እራብ አለ፣ ድካም አለ።
This land is punishing. and forgiving.
What's up?
በባህር የተሳፈሩት ያ ሁሉ ሰው ግማሹ እያበደ፣ ግማሹ እየሞተ፣ ግማሹ ውሃ ላይ
I don't want to.
እየሞቱ አሁን 3 ሰው ብቻ ቀረ።
No matter what happens, no matter how hard things
ምንም
become,
ከባድ ቢሆን
you stay alive.
Why bother? Why?
Because hope is staying alive.
ህይወት ምንም ከባድ ብትሆን ተስፋን አትቁረጥ ይላል።
I am at war with my past, a constant battle inside my head.
Keep her alive for now. She will talk. Sure, sir. She will.
ይህ መጀመሪያ ያሳለፈችው ህይወት ከዛ ህይወት የተሻለ ህይወት አገኛለሁ ብላ ነበረ ወደ ስደት የወጣች። ይህንን እያሰበች ነው በተቀመጠችበት። የቀረውን ዳዊት ሞተ። አሁን 2 ቀሩ። ከዛ ሁሉ ሰው እነዚህ 2 ቀሩ። አለች ወይስ ሞተች እያለች ከኋላ እየተመለሰች ታያለች። ተስፋ ቆርጣለች፣ ደክሟታል። አሁንም ግን መጓዛቸውን አላቆሙም። ደረሱ መሰለኝ። ኤነርጂዋን በጣም ጨምራለች።
Give it to me! Oh, so now you can talk.
ያቺ ፊሊፒኖ ከመጀመሪያ ጀምራ
Don't look at me
አታወራም።
like that. I'm not your mom. We're gonna die anyway.
We're not going to die.
So, what's your name?
Maya.
ስሜ ማያ
And
ይባላል።
yours?
Shade.
አንቺስ? ሸዲ ይባላል።
How did you end up on the boat?
እንዴት
And where
ወደዚህ
are your
ልትመጪ
parents?
ትቻልሽ? ቤተሰቦች
They are dead.
የት ናቸው ብለህ ስጠይቅ ቤተሰቦች ሞተዋል።
What country are you from?
I don't have a country.
ከየትኛው ሀገር ነው ብለህ ስጠይቅ
How
ሀገር
can that
የለኝም
be?
አለች።
You have to be from somewhere.
እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል? ከሆነ ቦታ ልትሆኚ ትችያለሽ።
I'm a Rohingyan. Nobody wants us. They don't like us. We don't belong anywhere.
ፊሊፒኖ ነኝ። ማንም ሰው አይወዳኝም። እንኳን ሀገሬም የሀገሬም ሰዎች እኛን አይወዱንም። አንቺስ ከየት ነው የመጣሽው? አሁን እዚህ ጋር እየተዋወቁ ነው።
What's your story?
ታሪክሽ ምንድን ነው? እስቲ ስለ አንቺ ማጫውችኝ።
This is sad. Civil war. My father worked for the government, and the rebels came in, overran our city. My sister and I managed to escape, but my father was left behind.
And where's your sister?
We were captured. She died.
How? Where? How did she die?
Don't worry about it. Never mind.
Just tell me, how did she die?
It's none of your business. Just shut up. Shut the hell up.
እኔና ሁለት እህቴ ነበረን። ከአባቴ ጋር ነው የምንኖረው። እኛም እየኖረን ጦርነት ነበር። ከጦርነቱ እኔና እህቴ ወጣን። እህቴ ሞተች ብላ ስታወራ የት እንዴት ምን ሆና ሞተች ብላ ስጠይቅ እሱ አንቺን አይመለከትሽም ብላ ተናደ መራመድ ጀመረች። ጥላ ማሄድ አልፈለገች። ተሸክማ እየተጓዘች ነው መራመድ ሲያቅታት።
Last one.
የመጨረሻ ያለኝ ይሄ ነው ብላ ሰጠች።
Come. Water.
ውሃ አገኛል ነው ብላ ወሰደች።
Wait here.
እስኪ ጠብቂ
Wait.
ጠብቂ እዛ ህይወት በዚህ መልኩ ይቀጥላል።
You are already there. You are becoming exactly what your father wanted you to become.
ደርሰሻል፣ አትፍሪ። አባትሽ የሚፈልግበትን ቦታ ሊደርሽ ነው።
Independent.
ጠንካራ
The hope of your father.
መሆን አለብሽ። ለአባትሽ ተስፋ አለሽ።
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
ማንን እያወራሽ ነው ብላ እየጠየቀች
No one.
ማንንም
Stay here. Stay put. Don't move. I'll be back.
እዚህ ጋር ተቀመጭ። እዚህ ጋር ሁሉም እንዳትቼ እኔ እመለሳለሁ።
The old man.
He's dead. Everyone.
ሁሉም ሰው ሞት።
It's on you.
I tried to save those people.
We paid you to kill us.
የከፈለ
I
ነው
stole
እንድትገለን ነው
that
እንዴ?
boat to bring you all here in Australia. You understand? Those men, I heard them. They were planning to chop you up into pieces and sell you to whorehouses.
እየዋሻት
And I stopped them. I did the right thing. I stood by my ground. I brought you here,
እዚህ ያመጣሁት
and you all turned your back on me.
ጀርባሽን መለሽ።
Can we go back?
To where?
The boat.
No, it's gone.
ወደዛ
You're out of your
እንመለስ።
mind.
Fine. I'm gonna find the boat. I'm gonna find the people. I'm gonna tell them who you are and what you did.
ሁሉንም ነገር ምን
I did what?
እንዳደረግ
Huh?
እነግረዋለሁ
You're gonna
ትላለች።
tell him what?
ምንድን ነው ያደረኩት?
And I
ንገሪኝ።
lost everything. I lost my boat. I lost my family. You're
ሁሉንም
gonna tell
ነገር
him what?
አጥቻለሁ። ቤተሰቤን አጥቻለሁ። ምንድን ነው የምትናገረው? ልገላት ይሆናል። ሁሉንም ነገር ብላ ሄደች።
told you to wait.
ልገላት
I lost everything.
ምንም
Do you
ነገር
understand? I lost everything. My family,
ቤተሰብ
my boat, because of you.
ምንም ነገር
You ungrateful refugee.
Let her go!
ምንም ነገር ለአንቺ ስላጥቻለሁ። ያበደ ፓኪስታን ጋስቲናል
Come on, let's go.
Get away from me!
የትም ማምለጥ አትችይም። የሄድሽበትን ሁሉ እከተልሻለሁ፣ እገልሻለሁ።
What of you? I'm coming for you!
እግራን የሆነ ነገር ወቅ እግሬን አመመኝ እያለች እያለቀሰች ነው ማያ።
My fears, this inner demon in me, won't leave.
She's slowing you down. She's already gone. Get rid of her and move on.
Are you real? Or
ማያ
just
ሞተች።
inside my head?
What do you think?
She's going to live. And
መኖር
we're going to
ትፈልጋለች።
survive this together.
ከዚህ ህይወት ማምለጥ
I'm
ትፈልግ
helping
ነበር።
you. She's slowing you down.
ግን እሷ ኦልሬዲ ሞታለች።
Now you have become what you've always wanted to be.
I didn't do it for you. I did it for her.
ለእሷ ነው ያረኳት፣ ለአንቺ አይደለም። አሁን ብቻዋን ቀረች።
Every day that meets me here, I dread my fate. And the land moved into a sea of sand, where the real becomes unreal and the unreal becomes real.
ሁሉንም ነገር አልፌ ስመጣ አሁን በረሃ ገባሁ። ምንም ውሃ የሌለበት፣ ጥላ የሌለበት፣ ሰው የሌለበት፣ ምንም የሌለበት
Did you listen? What did I tell you?
About what?
Hope. What did I tell you about hope?
ስለ ተስፋ
Talk is
ነግሬሽ ነበር አይደል?
If the body is weak, it won't be able to carry the soul.
You are getting it wrong. It's the other way around. The soul commands the body.
Without the body, the soul is a nomad.
Shade, you
ስጋ
must be what
ከሌለ
your
ነፍስ
father wants you to
ምንም
be.
ማድረግ አይችልም።
You must be what your father wants you to be.
አባትሽ የሚፈልግበትን ቦታ መድረስ አለብሽ።
You must be what your father wants you to be.
አባትሽ የሚፈልግበትን ቦታ መድረስ አለብሽ፣ መሆን አለብሽ። ተነሳች፣ መጓዝ ጀመረች። ከዛ ሁሉ ሰው ብቻዋን ቀረች። ቢሆንም ግን ተስፋን አልቀለጠች፣ መጓዟን ቀጥላለች።
And for the first time, signs of civilization.
ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ የሀገሪቱን ድንበር ገቡ። ተስፋ ስላልቆረጠች ሰው አለበት እንደረሰች።
I got you now. You understand me? I got you now. I got you.
ድንበር ጠባቂውን ሰውዬ ገደለ።
Brad! Boy, it's Dad! Brad! Wake up!
and I died.
Brad, boy, it's Dad. It's Dad.
Almost died,
ሞቼ ነበር።
but just a scratch.
በትንሹ ተመልክተናል።
Who are you? Where you from? I'm gonna find you and kill you!
ልጁን እያሰረ ነው። የገደለው ቻይናዊ ነው፣ ግን ይህ ሰውዬ የሚከተለው ልጅቷ ውሃ አግኝታ ሻወር እየታጠበች ነው። በብዙ እንግልትና ስቃይ የምትፈልገው ነገር በርቀት አይተዋለች።
Papa? I wish I was a boy.
Why?
Because boys can do anything and they get away with everything. Like what they're doing now.
Machoism is overrated. Men turn on men out of envy and selfishness. On the other hand, women give birth to the world.
But men destroy it.
Exactly my point. For me, it doesn't matter if you're a boy or a girl. It doesn't matter. For me, you're my boy, you're my girl.
አባቴ ምን አለ ወንዶኜ ቢፈጠር ብላ ትጠይቀዋለች አባቷን። አባቷን መልሶ አንቺ ለኔ ወንድ ልጅም ሁላ ነገሬ ነሽ ብሎ ይመልሳል። ሴት ልጅ ዓለም ናት፣ ትወልዳለች፣ ሁሉም ነገር ናት። ሴት ልጅ ማለት ወንድም ሴትም ነች ብሎ ይመልሳታል።
Do not limit yourself. Okay? Come, let's go. One more thing. Remember this. At all times, keep your eyes on your sister. You must look after her. Okay.
ሁሌም ነገር ይህን አስቢ። ሁሌም ቢሆን የእህትሽን አደራ ሰጥቼሻለሁ፣ እህትሽን ጠብቂያት ብሎ ለመጀመሪያዋ ልጁ ይናገረዋል ማለት ነው።
It's a waste town. Apocalypse. The end of a world. The end of my world.
ተስፋ ቆርጣ እያለቀሰች ይሄ አባቷ ነው።
Papa, the city is torn down. The rebels are here. We need to go.
Take your sister and leave.
But Papa, we need to go.
Leave!
አባቴ ከተማው ሁሉ በጦርነት እያለቀ ነው፣ ከዚህ ቦታ መሄድ አለብን ብላ አባቷን ስጠይቅ አባቷን መልሶ እህትሽን ይዘሽ ከዚህ ሂጂ፣ ቶሎ ብለሽ ሂጂ አልኩሽ ብሎ ይመልሳል። ማን አለ እዚህ ቤት? ማን ነው ያለው እዚህ ቤት ብላ በባዶ ቤት ገብታ እየጠራች ነው። ሰው አለ ወይ እያለች
Help
እባካችሁ እርዱኝ እርዱኝ እያለች
Is anybody here? Hello?
በ1981 ላይ በጦርነት ባለቁ ሰዎች ቤት ላይ ገብተን
Bring it down here. You don't want to talk, right? The daughter of a snake is a snake. Is she spoken?
በአባቷ ምክንያት ልጇን እየቀረ
This one is hardcore. Very, very stubborn.
Where's my father?
አባቴ የት ነው ያለው?
Your father died fighting. He
አባትሽ
was a
ሞተ
brave man, eh?
ጎበዝ ነበር አይደል ብሎ ይሳቃል።
I can end all this suffering just like that. All I need you to do is, all you gotta tell me where your father kept our country's money. Where's the account?
አባትሽ የሀገሩን ብር የቱ ጋር ነው ደበቀው?
Panama?
እሱን ነገር ንገረኝና
Switzerland?
ህይወትሽን
London?
እተዋለሁ።
Or Hong Kong?
የት ነው የደበቀው? አባት
I don't know.
ብሩን የት ነው ያደረገው?
Listen to me very carefully. My boys are wild dogs. If you do not cooperate with me, I'm going to let them loose on you. Come on, speak up!
ንገረኝ።
You are your father.
Gold built this town. When gold dried out, so did the people.
Hold on. She needs a good spread. What is the money? Like that. Where is the money? Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Look at the fish.
Your sister did not make it. How do you feel?
Here, there is no sanctuary.
Nowhere to run.
I've been running in the wrong direction. I've been running away from men like you. I should have stood my ground against testosterone. Driven.
እየሮጥኩኝ ያለሁት የተሳሳተ መንገድ ነበር። እንደንተ አይነት ወንድ መፍራት አልነበረብኝም። እና ጉልበቴን አሳየዋለሁ። የትም ብትሮጪ እኮ አታመልጭም ይላል ሰውየው። አሁን አገኘሁሽ አይደል? እንደፈለግኩሽ ነው የሚያደርገው ብሎ ያወራል። እሷም ደግሞ ምንም አታደርግም፣ እዚች ጋር አብረን እንጋፈጣለን ትለዋለች።
Do as you please. Just know that this man will eat you up.
You're wrong. I'm a survivor.
Opportunist! That's who you are. You take advantage of people who depend on you. Parasite.
Don't move.
He knows everything.
If we die, we die today. He's the true owner of the land. White man.
Don't interfere. They killed my boy.
Put the gun down, son.
They're invaded. They're killing our kids and taking our land.
Trust me. I know how it feels.
ልጅን ማን እንደገደለ አውቃለሁ።
Are you alright?
I can't tell you how this is going to end. This is only the beginning of a battle, a high wall that I must climb.
የፈለገችበትን ከተማን ገባች። በመጨረሻው
I'll introduce myself. My name is Francis, and I'm from the Australian newsroom. We're one of the biggest media in the Asian and Pacific region. I just want to ask you a few questions. We reserve the right to use your full name. We also reserve the right to alter your story to an acceptable range. Do you understand what acceptable range is? Look, you realize that this is your opportunity to tell your story to Australia, to buy sympathy. Know the choice you make next will determine whether you're going to stay, where they're going to be deported.
What do you want to know?
Everything.
Minister, I'm sorry to interrupt you.
This better be bloody good, Catherine. This is my day off. I'm admiring the view. Look at that.
You love your country.
Well, when you see the photographs coming out of their war zones, Libya, Iraq, Ukraine, this makes you realize how lucky we are.
Libya's a mess. Maybe if everyone, us, the Russians, everyone were to mind their own business, maybe they could find their own route.
The world's a very dangerous place at the moment. We must be on our guard at all times. Otherwise, we're all going to end up being vaporized by chemical and nuclear warfare as we sleep.
So many refugees crossing the borders. It's making the governments nervous, especially in Europe.
We must be vigilant. We don't want a Paris or a London happening here in Melbourne or Sydney. No, we must keep our guard up. We will decide who and what comes into this country and when. Everybody must be properly vetted. The people who want to do us harm are pretty smart. They're going to come in and intermingle with the genuine refugees.
Trojan horse. So what do you want me to do about the refugee girl?
According to the law, we should kick her out. But
The bleeding heart liberal media is having a feast on her story.
the world's changed, and they need to be reminded of that.
Everyone is asking questions about her. The people are leaning towards sympathy on this one.
And we're not doing too well in the polls at the moment, so let her stay. For now.
Done. Enjoy your golf.
Minister, there's been an attempted bombing on a plane in Sydney.
Well, that just proves my point.
Australia. Australia.
በመጨረሻም ቻይናዊ ድራይቨር አበደ። ፊልሙ በዚህ መልኩ አለቀ። ምን ተማራችሁ?